Anytime you go open the doors, make sure the machine power switch is off.
Okay.
Oh, good enough. Well, these are door safety switches, but you always want to make sure the power's turned off, because if one of these fails and you happen to hit one of these paddles,
Okay.
it'll activate that side. So we're going to address just basically one tank, because these two tanks are identical. This is slightly different. The wash arms are a little bit different on all of them. When you're going to break the machine down, you're just going to drain this one tank for now. We would open all three drains.
Okay.
This tall bar here will lift out and be slid down the bank. Thank you. So the lower wash arm, there's a button screw right here.
Okay.
You loosen that up.
Is there a difference between the upper and lower arms?
Yes. There is a difference between the upper arms, the lower arms, the center arms, and each. Yeah.
Is there any way to tell?
Yes.
Can we?
So on the lower arms,
Yeah.
they have a center hub, like here. Right? The upper arms, it's at the end. And I'll show you that.
I couldn't hear you. The lower arms got what?
See this little center hub?
Yes.
That's where the water comes through. On the uppers, they're set like this here, and the water comes in the end.
I don't understand.
I'll show you. So, when we're talking about the different arms, the center one is longer.
Yeah, okay.
So,
That would be obvious.
yeah, that's going to be the first thing. But then for the upper arm, there's a little butterfly right there. That gets loosened
That's
up.
what I like.
And then this pulls straight out.
Oh, and there's no hub.
Correct. So the upper
Oh,
arm,
that's what you're saying.
yep. Whereas the
It
lower arm,
attaches to the side.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Yep.
I got that.
so then,
And it has to, we talked about it, and that screw has to go to that spot
Correct.
where you can.
okay, see how this one's locked in here? So on this particular, when you put the upper arm back on, that bolt gets right put into that recess.
Okay.
If it doesn't get set into there, it can pop.
It can pop off.
So to
Vodka.
clean these arms out, take a toothpick or something, push the dirt back. These end caps will come right off, and they can take the sprayer and
Okay. Oh, okay. Just
spray the dirt right, you know,
yeah.
flush everything out. So when you do go put the upper arm
And
back,
how often are we de-lining? What should we do about like line over?
Once a week.
weekly's good.
It's good, and then like, do we need to soak those ever? Like, because they look pretty lined up.
Generally not. When you're de-liming the machine, line weight generally hits these pretty decent. The only thing I would maybe say is sometimes we'll say to take out the curtains so you get a good cascade when you're de-liming.
Take the curtains out?
The ones that are in the center.
The flaps.
Leave the outside ones there. But
When you talk about de-lining, like, also like,
yes. So we'll get there. Then this arm slides right back up there. And there's a little catch here that it sets the rest on. So that slides back. Tighten this up.
and the upper arms, are they all the same, or?
Does she wanna come
Okay,
out?
they're longer,
So
they're shorter.
center arm is longer.
Got it.
The pre-rinse arm is
I don't
shorter.
think they move at all, do they?
No.
Nah, you know how some machines that's a moving.
Nope, they stay right where they are. So you have the scrap screens.
Come on. Go take a little break.
One thing on the scrap screens is you'll notice there is a lip here and here. This one doesn't have a lip.
Okay.
So this one goes towards the center. So
Okay.
when this scrap screen goes in, it's going to go right like that.
No lip towards the center, lip in the
If
middle.
you try to put the lip one there,
Heard.
it's not going to sit right. These will come out, be sprayed off for cleaning. There is also a pump intake screen. It's going to be here at the back. Kind of hard to get to, but there's a small screen that gets clean.
Okay.
So put these back in. On the pre-wash arms, they come out different. On the pre-wash arms, you grab it, give it a quarter turn, counterclockwise, and it comes right out. So on this particular machine, you have the same setup on the other side, and they are the same. So if these get switched around, not a big deal. But there's a pin, you can see the weld spot right there.
Make sure that it's
Yep, that pin lines up in
straight
there.
up or pointing straight down.
Yep. You got two up top and one on the bottom.
Two up top.
Two up top.
Okay.
Come on. Maybe they are different.
That one.
They're interchangeable.
I know,
That's like the only,
There we go.
only here though.
Yeah.
So they like, I can see that there's something in these,
Yep. Which really isn't.
because we don't get it here much, but I'm sure you've dealt with it in bars, lemon seeds. Lemon seeds get through and they get trapped in those things.
And the nice part about this
Straws.
machine is this is a pre-wash and it knocks the majority of the garbage off.
Oh, really?
So each
And then
tank
it goes
is-
into that,
and then it ends up into this scrap basket here.
which is much easier to change
Yeah. So it's easy to, even like middle of shift, this can be pulled out, sprayed
at
off.
any time.
Yeah. When you do put the hull bar back on, you got to make sure you get lined up on both of them.
And that, we had to do that.
Line that one up first.
Okay.
Because this one, this side right here.
It was stuck.
Yeah.
I was trying to get it, and it'd been pounding it for a while, and it got, and I ended up, I don't remember how I did it, but I got it to move, and then I was able to put it together. It's a little tricky, because it's kind of heavy. Oh, yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be?
It has to go in more.
There we go. We do want that to mesh up a little bit better. A little bit of a shape. And
Okay.
Now you see how tight that's sitting. All right.
What is this?
We don't mess with that.
Okay.
Hey, guess
Good
what we
to
did?
know.
Not
So that's what it looks like.
So,
we didn't put the arm in.
Oh, that guy.